Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to draw a girl with a hat. At first draw the face shape like the basic. You don't need to draw the exact face shape. If you want then you can. Then draw a center line for the nose, mouth, and draw two lines for the eyebrows and eyes. Then draw two lines for nose and lip. Then I'm drawing the neck. Here I am using normal HB pencil. Now I'm drawing the eyebrows. At first draw the normal shape of the eyebrows, then go into the details, then draw the hairs of the eyebrows. At first start with a circle for the eyes. Now draw the nose. First draw a triangle like this. Remove the extra lines with a eraser. Then blend it out. Here I am using a cotton bar for the blending. If you have a tissue and also a blending stamp, then you can use those things too. Now I am drawing the leaves. I'm giving the shape of the face. I'm a self-learner sketcher. Whatever I'm drawing is totally in my style. I'm drawing it with my style, so maybe you are not gonna like it, but it's my style, so I'm sorry for that. I try to draw with my style. If you are a beginner, then I will tell you, please continue practicing, and after some time you will be able to find out your style too. am a self-learner, like self-taught sketcher. I have never got any kind of tuition for the sketching. Whatever I have learned for by myself from YouTube videos and some pictures on Instagram and other sites, I have learned it. So I'm still learning. So if there is any mistake, so please forgive me. If you love my video, then don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to comment and share. And if you want, you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Now I am using a 4B pencil. This girl is smiling, that's why I draw those lines around her lips, because she is smiling. Now I'm drawing the shadow of the face. Now I'm drawing the bangs. Now I'm drawing the hat. If you are a beginner, then you will feel trouble to draw these strokes for the hair, but please keep practicing, then you will be able to get it. When I was a beginner too, I was struggling with these strokes too, but now I still struggle, but not that much. Dark the inner part of the hair. Now draw the hairs like this. Again, I'm telling you, it's my own style, so if you don't like it, then it's okay, it's fine. And if you are a beginner, then I will tell you to find your own style. Don't try to copy all the style that artists have. Everyone has different style, everyone has their own style, so in future you'll be able to find your own style too, so don't worry about it. Now I'm drawing the hat. Now blend it out. Now I'm drawing the highlights with a white flute. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.